Hello and welcome to a tutorial from Confusingly Simple. This video is going to be about how DNA and mRNA can translate to go to the ribosome. So, DNA is made of nucleotides: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. These letters represent these nucleotides. So in DNA, these nucleotides would be written down. So if I had a DNA strand, say G, C, T, these would be translated to become an mRNA DNA. So as you can see here, I wrote down a little chart. So if a DNA strand had the letter C in it, which is cytosine, it would turn into guanine or guanine. If it had a guanine, it would turn to cytosine, from DNA to mRNA. Does that make sense? So let's just say CGTAU was a DNA strand. If I used this chart, I could simply say that the mRNA strand is this, because C turns to G when it goes from DNA to mRNA. I'm making this simple for you. There's plenty of science behind it. So, uracil goes back to thymine. Even though thymine turns to adenine, adenine turns to uracil. It's somewhat of a circle, okay? So, I'll write down a little one for you. So say this was a DNA, and I wanted to translate it to mRNA to take it to the ribosome, which is where it gets to turn into tRNA. And there'll be more on that later. So this is my DNA strand. So it represents cytosine, thymine, adenine, and uracil. In order for it to become an mRNA strand, it needs to go through a process that I've shown here. So as we know, C turns to G. So my mRNA strand would be G, and T turns to A turns to U, and U turns to T. This would be my mRNA strand. I hope this helped.